Good morning friends, I am Himanshu Agrawal with my friend Anthony Prakash demonstrating a project which is timer circuit using an 855 IC, and here we demonstrate I am already set to 2, then trigger the circuit and we will be starting the stopwatch at the same moment. You can see that this is the load we are using is an AC laptop AC charger which will be giving 12 volt 3 ampere supply, and you can see that the input is given directly by the switchboard, means AC, which so that we can use in household purpose, and the output to the load is also same, which is AC, which is 230 volt 50 hertz supply, and the supply given to the circuit which is transformed using the transformer and the bridge rectifier is 12 volt DC supply 1 ampere rated, and you can see that after 2 minutes it will be automatically turned off, approximately 2 minutes, and here I will just guide you to some of the value points of the circuit. You can see that this is the NE555 timer IC, which is the heart of the circuit, or say the brain of the circuit. You can see that we have used a micro switch, we have used the BC547 transistor, we have used the IN4007 diode also, and we have used a 7812 IC so to regulate the voltage to 12 volts. And the circuit include two LEDs. The red LED is showing that the power is given to the circuit, and the green LED is showing that the power is given to the load, which in case is 12 volt AC laptop charger. And you can see this, the time is adjusted by using the 6-step mode switch, which is here. You can see this circuit works on the basic principle of fundamental principle, or it is charging time of capacitor, which is approximately equal to 1.1 log RC. Hence the time is almost about to over, and you will see that after 10 seconds or probably 5 seconds you will see that the load will be automatically turned off, while the green LED will be turned off. Just like, see this, the green LED is turned off and the power to the load is also turned off. The power to the load is this. So this circuit basically what it do is, after 2 minutes or after the manually set time, it turn off the appliance to save the power. And hope you liked the video. Thank you. Have a good day.